The key objectives of inspection engineering are: first is quality assurance. This ensures that a product or service meets the required standard. In inspection engineering, quality assurance often focuses on verifying that the material, components, and welds in a structure meet the design specifications. Quality assurance can further be divided into seven parameters. First is performance, which is how well a product or structure fulfills its intended functions, verifying if the product meets performance specification through testing and evaluation. The example is inspecting a pressure vessel to ensure it can withstand the required pressure and temperature for safe operation. Second part of quality assurance is features. The specific functionalities and characteristics of a product or structure is called the features, ensuring all features are present, complete, and they function as intended. Example is inspecting a car to ensure all features like airbags, lights, and brakes are present, functional, and meet the safety standards. Third part of quality assurance is reliability. It is the ability of a product or structure to perform consistently its function over time without failure, identifying the potential defects or weaknesses that could affect the reliability and recommending corrective actions, like inspecting welds in a bridge to ensure that they are strong and free of cracks that could lead to failure. Then fourth is conformance to ISO standards, adherence to international standards and like ISO and industry codes and regulation is important. Verifying that the material design and construction methods comply with these standards. For example, inspecting a medical device to ensure it meets ISO standards for compatibility and sterility. Fifth is durability. It is the ability of a product or structure to withstand wear and tear over a period of time or the life cycle. Evaluating the materials and construction methods for resistance to corrosion, fatigue, and other degradative factors. Example, inspecting the paint on a bridge to ensure it is durable enough to withstand weather conditions and prevent rust. Sixth is serviceability. It is the ease with which a product or structure can be maintained, repaired, and upgraded. Verifying the accessibility of components, availability of spare parts, and clear maintenance instruction repairs. Seventh and final part of quality assurance is aesthetics. It is the visual appearance of a product or structure, where the product meets the aesthetic specification and is free of defects that could impact its appearance, like the finish of fit and finish of a furniture to ensure it is free of scratches, blemishes, and inconsistencies in color or texture. Next key objective of inspection engineering is defect identification. This involves finding and identifying defects in materials, weld, and structures. These defects can be caused by a variety of factors such as material flaws, manufacturing errors, or wear and tear. Then it is the part of safety and reliability. This ensures that a structure is safe and reliable for its intended use. This means that the structure must be able to withstand the loads it is expected to experience without collapsing or failing. Then we come to cost reduction. This involves finding ways to reduce the cost of inspection without compromising safety or quality. This can be done by using efficient inspection techniques, by scheduling inspection more effectively, or by using data analytics methods to identify where inspection is most needed. Finally, compliance. This means that a structure is built and designed in accordance with the applicable codes and standards. These codes and standards are often developed by international organizations. These codes and standards are often developed by international organizations such as the International Organization for Standardization (ISO). Example of codes are ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001.